You have the elementary and high school right over here, just walking distance. Nice, quiet neighborhood. Before we see the inside of the home, let's take a drive around this new construction neighborhood so you can get a feel for the area. This home here is sold, as are most of the homes we'll be driving past, including many of those which are still under construction. despite the loud construction going on around. This is the entryway bedroom. This house is mostly done, but there's some finish work that still needs to be done. And from my experience with Lennar, it's great QC process, quality control. They're gonna caulk and paint these baseboards. They're gonna clean up all this debris, and there's some items noted on the walls here. And in the process, we can go through and mark the walls as well. You can see the school's right over here, super close. Laundry room. Plumbed for water softener. As you can see, they still haven't put in the mirror and the glass for the shower stall. All things that should be going in pretty quickly here. As well as they'll be finishing the fence. These homes are so solid. Now, when there's a lot of wind or construction outside, from my experience, you can't hardly hear a thing. It's an R49 insulation in the walls and attic. Verify for yourself, but that's what I've seen. Nice separation between the bedrooms. So you got this primary suite bedroom, and you got separation with the hallway bedroom 2 and hallway bedroom 1, which is great, giving you lots of privacy. There's a formal dining area. And this neighborhood is really peaceful. I just met somebody who lives here, and they were vouching for how quiet and lovely the area is. I love these new construction neighborhoods. So this house comes with brand new appliances: microwave, range, refrigerator. You don't typically get that. And dishwasher. Here's the kitchen, living room area. Again, comes with a refrigerator, microwave, range, dishwasher, which is pretty atypical from what I've seen to include all that, especially a refrigerator. This house is almost there. Almost there. Really quiet in here, as I mentioned. So there will be a fence right here. I'm going to take a quick look at the side yards. So there's the schools right over there. So it just needs a little bit of work. This deal on this property is made even sweeter, in particular because of the $25,000 cash incentive program offered by Lennar. Anybody who can close escrow before the end of November can qualify for $25,000 towards closing costs or towards buying down their loan, which could mean if you're an investor, you can cash flow easier. And if you're a home buyer, you're gonna save a lot more money. It's a big difference in your ability to cash flow. I can tell right now, the main thing this thing needs is just some caulking on the baseboards, some paint touch up, and general cleaning. Needs the fences and some fixtures in the bathrooms. Otherwise, this place is pretty much ready to go. Comes with a lot of smart features, including your smart slage door and your ring system, as well as several other features, including security features. I love these Lennar homes. They are solid. The house we were just at, the house was right over there. And then a short walk over here, you have the schools. Middle school and elementary school. And the home is just right down there. I'm now driving from the elementary school directly to the subject home we were just looking at to give you an idea of how far it is. We're just pulling up to the house right now. The drive was approximately 52 seconds.